Welcome to Vintage King Motorsports right here in Baldwinsville, New York. Today we have a vintage Poulan 250A automatic chainsaw. This is a really nice saw. It starts very easily. The oiler does work. There's no broken or missing parts. We're going to start it up and let you see and hear how this one runs. Very nice vintage chainsaw. Folks, you can spend $200, $300, $400, $500, $600 on a brand new saw, steel, Husqvarna. But if you're the kind of person that uses a saw maybe once or twice per season, do you really want to spend $500 on a saw that after it sits for a year you're going to have to replace possibly the fuel lines and the fuel and go through it? This is the type of saw that will get you through those few times that you need a saw, but you don't want to spend a ton of money. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.